they say when there is a problem, there is also a solution. And I think a lot of entrepreneurs jump right in when they see an opportunity like that where there is a trouble. A company which when I was doing the research on deepfake, the company that stood out for me was the optics, and they help identify synthetic or spoof material, like an airport X-ray machine for digital content. Really figure out if it's true or not. And I think there's also technologies like watermarking the images that is now becoming more popular. So I think there's a lot of entrepreneurs who are jumping right in to create these technologies that can detect. But I feel like it's a mouse and cat game. Like, what do you do? Like, you're creating the technology and then you have to go out and figure out the solution for it. But always you see that you're trying to catch up to these technologies, because these technologies are like coming out, it's sometimes playful, it's a playful act, but really it can cause a lot of damage.
Absolutely. And that's the hardest thing, is that, every good intention has unintended consequences. So it's really hard to figure out, sometimes it's a joke, but the joke can go out of hand if it's, different contexts can be misrepresented. I think you raise an important point as far as the companies that are coming out and providing authentication approaches to identify not only synthetic data or deep fakes or any sort of products that are put out in the market that are used in that way. The issue with that is that we always come up with a solution, but as you kind of preluded to that, is that we really don't have a good way to address deepfakes. Our regulatory statutes have not caught up. Our ethical statutes have not caught up. We really don't even have regulatory guardrails with a lot of these technologies. And this is sort of at the cutting edge as well, with a lot of the media out there that really, the technology is one part, but the regulatory part is another component. So both of them have a lot of catch up to do, some more than others. I don't always see technology, sort of authentication application as a be all and end all. They have to be within an ecosystem and environment that could say, yes, either through watermarking or other types of credentialing that says, yes, this is a valid document, this is a valid image. And that has a lot of development that needs to happen in the next few years.